Hello, this is Shahin. I'd like to talk about how to install Laravel 10, and I want to how to make a website with Laravel, and I'm installing Laravel with my local PC, and let's go. And first of all, you have to you know that Laravel install requirement before you install your server, local server, and any database like MySQL, and you need to composer to install your PC for running running Laravel. So let's go. First of all, I start my server, local server. I choose my you choose your any local any server to run Laravel website. I installed them server for use to my Laravel project. So I start my gem server. I open my gem folder and open the software and just start Apache and MySQL. I just start and go to browser and go to laravel.com. Laravel.com, and today I show the Laravel 10 latest version, how to make Laravel 10 to running for any website. Basically, it will work for it will work for any web-based application, and you can find out the documentation how to work Laravel and why you choose Laravel. Laravel is the most popular PHP framework, you know, and that's why we want to learn Laravel framework. So I click get started, and I see the installation process. You read the whole process, you gather a lot of information, and I find installation code. Must you install before you install your computer on Composer. You must install Composer file software in your PC. Otherwise, this command is not working for the installation. Okay, this is a Composer requirement command, and create project Laravel command, and Laravel example app is your project name. You can change this name of your choose. Okay, I just copy this code and go to my gem htdocs folder. Go to my gem htdocs folder, and I create a folder like my Laravel, and I use git bash. You can use any CMD or terminal. I'm just use git bash terminal or CMD. Okay, you can paste this command. I'm just paste this command, and you can change your name. I cannot change because it's not necessary. If you do this, you can do this. Just enter and wait a few seconds or minutes for complete this session. It will take about 2 or 3 minutes for completion. Okay, it's done, and you just close the terminal, or you just go to your project folder and open again the terminal and just type php artisan search and enter, and you can just browse this URL. I am just copy and go to my browser and just paste and enter. Okay, you can see the Laravel default layout. When you can see this layout, you think you successfully install Laravel on your local PC. And I just today I just install the Laravel project, and next video I will show the how to develop the website or application. And today video I introduce about which folder I will work and introduce the folder. First of all, I introduce app folder, app, HTTP, and controller. I will use this folder and use model folder and use public folder for storing assets or some file, and resource folder, resource view for I just place the blade file for showing site, like I place this folder HTML and PHP file. And another is routes. Routes means URL, exact URL, which page or which post I will show the path. Just write this file. Just you can see the code. You can just I just open my domain and I can see this file, welcome file. Okay, and next video I will connect the database with my project and show the how to work as a backend for Laravel. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please this is my apology, my double English, so my apology. Please forgive me, and please support me for improving my English and get better your get better tutorial. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum.